again, guys. I've fucking done it again. I can't believe it. I never thought I'd do this. You guys know what I've done already. You guys know it. You guys know that I've bought another Titan. I can't fucking stop. I need help. Oh my days. This is insane. I bought another Warhound Titan, guys. Yeah. I could, in my defence, I couldn't pass this opportunity up. I had a friend that was selling one that was like pretty much unbuilt and unpainted, so I was like, I had to fucking go for it, guys. Not gonna tell you how much I paid, but I got it. Yes. Oh god, I guess I'll probably show you guys. Let's have a look at it, shall we? And there he is, guys. Look at that beautiful little puppy. I can't believe I can't believe in the space of what? December, January, February, March, April, May. In the space of like 6 to 9 months, I now own 3 Titans. And I have painted 5 Titans, including the Lucius pattern and the other Reaver for Mike from playing the Dice Wargaming. I've painted 5 Titans in less than a year. That's fucking incredible. I never thought I'd be able to say that, guys. What's wrong with me? And guys, just so you don't go, oh well, maybe he's just repainted his other Warhound. Oh no, I assure you guys, this is legit. Mainly because the other Warhounds are out there. I also made another box for him. Look at these boxes, aren't they nice, guys? Absolutely lovely. But anyway, I digress. Let's look at this guy. As you can see, painted him slightly differently to the other one. I wanted him to be the same, but different. I wanted him to have the same basic colour scheme with that beautiful candy emerald green. And but I wanted to have spiced up a little bit and try some new techniques that I hadn't tried before. And one of those techniques was hazard stripes. Just hit the camera. So we've got hazard stripes on the carapace here. I'll just take this off. You guys, if you follow the Instagram, which you totally should, by the way, you will have seen preview pics and like little sneak peeks of this for a little while now. But I did these beautiful hazard stripes, and this was again under the tutelage of Moggy from Moggy's Miniatures. He told me the right kind of stuff to get and how to do them, and just look how they turned out. They turned out beautifully, and I will tell you guys that I legitimately got this first try. Like it was like I did it. I was like, oh my fuck, that's amazing. First try. So we got that. I did some beautiful hazard stripes on the shin guards, which are all magnetised. So we got some nice hazard stripes there. We've got some beautiful techniques. This is like a multi-skilled, a multi-technique little piece here. We've got hazard stripes. We've got decals, we've got masking vinyl, we've got everything on this piece pretty much. The masking vinyl I use is just like, I think it's just like a generic one off of Amazon, but you have to use this rather than regular masking tape because this stuff, if I show you, is actually, it's stretchy, and therefore it can actually curve, and you can go around bends and stuff, and you can actually follow the curvature of the areas that you're doing, especially on the Warhound. So we've got that on there, but look at how cool does that shin guard look with the hazard stripes and then the Mechanicus stuff. Let me know what you think of that, guys. I'm very pleased the way it turned out. Obviously, this isn't 100% completed yet. I've got some weathering. I've got a lot of weathering to do. I've got things that I've got to add, like the decals in that, not the decals, the red cellophane to the eyes. I also have decals and effects and stuff to do. I've not actually done any work on the crew for the crew compartment, and I've just started magnetising it. So all the shin guards. Oh, also this one's slightly top heavy, so I think this guy will maintain when I get a base for him, which I've not got yet, and then wait until I get paid. I'll be putting this guy on a base, and he'll have a permanent screw up his foot and securing him to that base. But yeah, so let's just show you guys. So these. I also need to paint the insides of the shin guards. We got some nice magnets on there which solidly secure those shin guards to his legs. The arm weapons are magnetised, and Speaking of magnets, I had a fucking disaster, guys. Oh, did I have a disaster? Oh, did I have a disaster? I had a disaster of epic proportions. You know, one of those things that you do with a model, and then you just think to yourself, why did I do that? Why have I just fucked up such an expensive model? Basically, I use, hold on. When I'm drilling out holes to the magnets, I use, let me just put that in the right hand, I use a nice power drum, and I use Forstner drill bits, as you guys can see there. A lot of high RPMs on there, a lot of rotations per minute, and that is also not the best tool, because you can see, you might be able to see there, it's not exactly straight. I don't know whether or not the chuck in my drill is slightly fucked or whatnot, but it's not straight, and as a result, it kind of, it wobbles about, and I did this, guys. That's right, I was drilling up through the Warhound, and I put a gigantic fuck-off hole in it that went all the way up, all the way through, after I had finished painting the interior of this Warhound. Seriously, guys, I was so pissed off when I did it. Oh my god, I swear I could feel my piss fizzing. I was that angry, like so angry at myself. I literally wanted to just fucking throw myself out of a window. Oh my god. You know, I was just so stupid. I mean, I just pushed a little bit too hard and pop, through it came. However, guys, I have since fixed it. I went through the initial despair part of the act, where I thought, fuck it, it's ruined, I'm just going to throw it in the bin, I'm going to get a new one. But then I thought, no, Great Jojo Man, you spent far too much fucking money on this. So I was like, right, okay, I decided to fix it, and luckily, thank fucking God, that Baneblade kit right there came in handy. This Baneblade kit has paid for itself in more ways than one. Basically, guys, as you saw in the picture, I drilled a hole right up through and right up underneath the console, like the whatever you call it, the power console, and I had a panel. I was like, oh my god, and literally it was on the first Baneblade sprue that I picked out. I had a panel that was perfect. Look at that fucker right there. That is a perfect bastard fit, and it hides it almost perfectly, apart from where like it's hard to see. See if I can get the light over there a little bit. Yeah, you can kind of see at the back. I need something to point at it with. You can kind of see. I'll use this knife. You can kind of see like at the back here. Oh god, the magnet is too strong. You can kind of see here at the back where the Forstner bit kind of ate away that the part fucking magnets ate away part of the console, like here. Very, very fucked off of that. But luckily, I've still got to add models to the inside of that, and I can stick a model right on that plate, and it'll hide all the bullshit what happened. So, very, very happy about that. We'll pretend it never fucking happened. But Jesus Christ, I had egg on my face. I was so fucked off. But anyway, isn't the interior of this nice? It's actually got, let me see if I can spin it round. It's not the most stable of Warhound, this. My other one, I remember it being a lot more stable. What we've got, let's just see if I can, oh my god, there we go. We've got some more interior bits, and I've even got decals on the fucking interior, guys. My camera doesn't want to focus. Focus. We got fucking, it's not focusing still. There we go. We've got decals on the inside of it, guys. How cool is that? And also, I will flip it round once again. In fact, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to, I'm just going to detach this top half. Yeah, basically, let me just detach the guns as well. What I had to do with this, so stupid. This thing here. So I used these really thin magnets, and they weren't powerful enough to get like a good bond. And because of the way the wand is slightly top heavy, I had to use like these really big fuck off magnets. You guys that saw a couple of videos ago, like these big sod off things. I had to use one of them in order to get the power in order for it to. Oh well, the fucking top carapace is gone. I had to use one of them, and that's why it's kind of stuck in there. So it basically what's happening is this is going up through. That piece there is stuck directly on top of the magnet, and then there's glue all around the edges of the magnet where the hole is about 1 centimetre thick, like, of resin, where it's actually holding on, and then obviously this is glued in place as well. Yeah, so that's how that works. But anyway, we're just going to pull the head out of this, and I'm going to show you guys the pilots and stuff. Look at this, guys. Look how cool. Let me see if, in fact, I'm going to change the camera angle, guys. 1 second. Alright, let's just move these Warhound bits all over here. So this, as you guys can see, you guys know I had the pilot and the crew from the Lucius pattern that was Mike's. So I actually added them into this, and it adds a nice bit of variety. Just makes it a little bit different, a little bit different to look at. One of the things that I do like is that the crew is actually pointing over, and actually looks like he's operating the controls here, which is cool. It just adds a little bit more I can't say. It makes it look more dynamic and look like there's more going on in the actual cockpit rather than just staring blankly at screens. But yeah, so very, very happy with the way this is turning out so far. Like I said, I still have the weathering and stuff to do, and still have like some basic dry brushing. Like here, this is just a basic wash on the sides. I've been kind of going at this at my leisure, just kind of like in between projects, just having a go and just really taking my time with it, just because I want it to be really, really nice, and possibly competition worthy for Chillcon 2021, considering we sadly missed Chillcon 2020 this year because of COVID and all that lot. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much all I have to show you today. It's really funny. The queue, like on the thing, I have a list of like episodes and stuff. This is really funny. I've done like a couple of episodes before recording this, but this one, the reminder for this one was called Second Warhound Rage Hole. So you guys can get an idea of how I name things in my little mind. But anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. Tell me, guys, this is what I want you to tell me in the comments and the doobly-doo down below. What is the biggest fuck-up, the biggest mistake, the thing that made your piss fizz and your blood boil? What is the biggest thing that you've done to a miniature that was just like, fuck everything, I want to go and kill something? Just tell me, guys, what was the biggest mistake you've ever done with a miniature that you just fucking regret to this day? I'd love to hear that. That'd be for some interesting comments, because I love reading the comments, guys. Every single one of you, it's fantastic. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to check out the Facebook page. Don't forget to check out the Instagram. Don't forget to check out all the socials. And I will see you guys in the next video. Links are in the doobly-doo down below, and I will see you guys again. Thank you very much for watching. See you now, and goodbye.